Number 1, shown here are the velocities and acceleration vectors for an object in several directions, types of motion. In which case is the object velocity changing while its speed is not changing? So, you see I put A, B, C, D, E. Those are the options. So the magnitude of the velocity is constant. So we have B is changing directions. So here, right here, we'll have V, A for acceleration. Again here, V, A, acceleration. Here, V. Did I went over? Okay, over. V, A, acceleration, and B, A, acceleration. So, if we want to plug in some numbers, we'll say, for this, for V constant, you will see that V x plus V y equals V. Okay. So what we will do is, for instance, we will take this x2 plus x1 and give V. Okay, so for this V right here, V at the top, we do V equals 4x equals 4, Vy equals 0. Then for the side, we have V equals Vx equals 0, Vy equals -4. And then we do for the bottom, for this one, sorry, I'm having it everywhere. We do V equals Vx equals -4, Vy equals 0. The reason, so if this is the y-axis, let's make this blue. If this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis, we know this is -x, this is positive x, this is -y, this is positive y. So you will see that Vx down here would be -4 versus Vy would be 0. And then if you go up right here, you will see for this one, you'll see Vx equals 4. Now here, because that it's on the positive side and the negative side of the y-axis, you'll see V equals Vx equals 0, Vy equals -4. So over here, you will get V equals Vx equals 0 because it's 0 on the x-axis, and y equals +4 because it's traveling up. With that being said, we like to plug in our numbers, and you will plug in seeing, you'll do v equals negative 4, 2 plus 0, 2. You will get 6, and that would be 4s. So your answer will be B, because you see that if the velocity is constant, that is completely wrong. I always look at that. The velocity is constant here, but the angle is not traveling sideways. So you can often eliminate this and eliminate this. Yes, the velocity is constant, but it's moving in a negative direction, where the velocity shows that the acceleration is moving, but the velocity, it stays constant.